towards my car also. And he's bugging the heck out of me. Can't get out of the car. It looks like he's bothering the birds. Anyways, he keeps coming towards my car. And I can't even get out of my car to go get a drink at this gas station. And I think he's being a nuisance to the birds also. Made up to be a nuisance. Jeez. I mean, I'm joking, of course, but maybe I'm also not joking. I don't know. This darn bee. But yeah, he keeps chasing the birds off also. Weird. What kind of bee is this? Gee whiz. Anyways, he's a bumblebee, and I just cannot stand bumblebees. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you like bumblebees, but I don't. Oh my goodness. I've always hated bumblebees. They scare me. There he is again. Ooh. What in the world? Bumblebee from ruining my moment. And actually, this isn't the only one. There's actually two more on the other side of me buzzing around my car. So there's actually, I think, about 3 or 4 of these things. See, I think right now I just got a shot of 2 of them. But at first it was like, it was 2, and then it became just 1. And now there's like 3 or 4. So at first there was 2, and then it became 1. And now there's like a bunch of them. And these birds keep getting around them, and they're being brave. Anyways. Good golly. There's another brave bird. And another one. Oh, and another one. Alright, well, I gotta go. I have to go get Ella from school. Alright, see ya.